Hi friends, this is Raghu, your advocate.
Supreme Court squashes false rape case. Chart reveals shocking truth. This is a line between heartbreak and betrayal, and sometimes that line gets dragged into court. In a country where laws are meant to protect the vulnerable, what happens when someone uses those laws as weapons? This is the story of a man, Keshav, accused of rape on the pretext of marriage, and this is how the Supreme Court unmasked the truth. It's the background. It started with a love, or so it seemed. He was an NRI. She was well educated, looking for a life partner. They met on a matrimonial website. Promises were made. Even an agreement was signed at the police station to get married. But then she filed 2 FIRs against him, one for cheating and the other for rape and caste-based abuse under the SC/ST Act. Things has just begun to spiral. The accusations a love turned legal war. She accused him of forcibly sleeping with her on multiple occasions, that he emotionally manipulated her, that he refused to marry her because of her caste. She said he mentally tortured her and disappeared. To any listener, this sounds like a terrible crime. But what if the story was written in reverse? The other side, the man speaks. Keshav said he panicked. He agreed to marry, but after spending more time with her, he saw obsession, aggression, manipulation. He said, I was scared. I backed out. Not out of betrayal, but out of survival. And then came the biggest twist. WhatsApp chats. The mask false. Her private messages were brought before the court, and in them she said, he is just a green card holder. I will use him. I will irritate him until he dumps me. Time to invest on the next victim. Not just heartbreaking. These were devastating to the court, to justice, and to those who truly suffer from sexual assault. Supreme Court stand. Justice isn't a weapon. The Supreme Court didn't just read those messages. They felt the manipulation. They noted her stories in the 2 FIRs were inconsistent. Earlier, FIR has no mention of rape. Later, one added 4 dates, all before the first FIR. Her caste-based allegation came much later, after initial complaints. They called her out for manipulative and vindictive behavior. Final verdict: truth prevails, lies fall. The Supreme Court said this case is a bundle of lies filed with malice and fabrication. They quashed both FIRs. They said continuing this case would be travesty of justice. Keshav walked free not because he escaped the law, but because the law stood by the truth. The biggest message: law can't be a game. This judgment isn't just about one man. It's a warning that false accusations hurt real victims, that laws must not become tools for vengeance, and that evidence, even in WhatsApp chat, can rewrite the narrative. This is about restoring balance, protecting both women and men from injustice. Key takeaway for every youth, every parent, every truth seeker: if you are in love, be honest. If you are in pain, seek help. But if you misuse the law for revenge, one day the law will turn around and ask you why. This case proves courts see through lies. Justice is slow, but it is not blind. Your voice matters. What's your take? Is the system finally balancing the scales? Are we doing enough to protect the enough from false charges? Comment below. Like, share this video, spread awareness. And if you believe in truth and justice, subscribe now. I am Advocate Nedunuri Raghu, and I am here to bring you the real stories that matters.